Hey there, Bolly B is back to bring you some of the biggest news, hottest celeb romances and some good old filmy deets. From Aryan Khan being moved to a special barrack in jail to Vicky and Katrina sending VCAT fans over the edge with their PDA, Ajay Devgan spilling his guts on surviving the outdoors with Bear Grylls and Pooja Hegde talking all about Radhe Shyam. Here are the biggest headlines of the day. As Aryan Khan and his fans count down the hours to his bail order on 20th of October, RB's got word that the jail authorities have increased the security around the star kid. He has been moved to a special barrack that is being monitored by the officials and is not even allowed to interact with any of the other accused in the drugs case. Buzz is that Aryan was being counseled by NGO workers along with NCB's Samir Wankhede, and the star kid even promised him that he would do good work and make him proud one day. While the drug case rages on in B-Town, with more arrests expected to be made today, a video of Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif has been sending fans over the edge. After months of waiting, VCAT shippers finally got what they were all waiting for: actual footage of the rumoured lovers hugging it out at the special screening of Sardar Udham. Speaking of the film, Vicky was happy to announce that the historical drama earned an impressive 9.2 rating. Taking to social media to thank his fans for the love, he said, "Aap sab ne to Udham macha diya." Heartfelt gratitude for the love pouring in for Sardar Udham. That's not all the love we've been feeling today. We may have just spotted Kartik Aaryan and Malavika Mohanan getting quite pally on the gram. While Kartik casually shared photos of his mountain getaway, Malavika left a comment that read, "Bahut ghoom liya, वापस आजा अब. Shireen Mantri and I have made a lot of plans to chill. A new friendship, romance or new co-star. We'll keep our eyes and ears open for this one." One love story we can't wait to see play out on the big screen is Pooja Hegde and Prabhas's Radhe Shyam. During her Twitter chat with fans, the actress gave us teeny tiny deets about the upcoming film in a post that read, "Epic love story, grand fairy tale visuals." While she's living the fab life, she did admit that she was struggling for her big break. "It was definitely a challenge in the start. I remember the times I didn't have work, but I feel like if you put your heart and soul in your work and work hard, it comes back to you manifold," she said in a post. Ajay Devgan also spilled his guts about the one-of-a-kind experience shooting for Into the Wild with Bear Grylls. "I've done dangerous things in films from the start of my film career 30 years ago. But what I did during the trip with Bear was altogether different," Devgan admitted. Revealing that one moment that stood out, he said, "Raw fish. I must confess, it wasn't what I wished for." That's all for today. We'll see you all tomorrow with more, so stay tuned.